It is start now.
Hi guys.
No, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, this is actually going to be our first video on YouTube.
Did you like the other video?
And yeah, and make sure you can go to Keyrex Smiley and subscribe. Because she showed us how to get us a YouTube channel up and running. So yeah, let's get into it.
No, holding it.
What?
Stop holding it.
Hey guys, by the way, thanks for watching this video, and can we try and hit 10 likes in this video?
And click the like button if you enjoyed this video.